told you one of Eastwood Homes' most versatile plans gives you a dedicated home office space downstairs. Could be a dining if that's what you need, a guest suite downstairs, a spacious loft upstairs, all with a little over 2,100 square feet. Come with me, let's check out the Newberry together. So can you see yourself living here? Could this be your new home? If you're thinking about buying a home here in the Carolinas, North or South Carolina, I would love to help you. Thinking about new construction? Let's make this happen together. I can help you build wealth, make a smart move, smart investment, and pick the right place. Let's chat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Live, Move, Charlotte. Would love to help you.